Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Brilliant Study. We are studying carbon and its compound. And today we will study about some special compounds. Some special compound. In the some special compounds, first we will study about ethanol. Ethanol. The common name of ethanol is ethyl alcohol. And the formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. And the structure of ethanol is C, single bond C, single bond H, 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 single bond O, single bond H. Actually, this OH bond suggests that it is a alcohol functional group based compound. So its functional group is alcohol. Now study about the usage of ethanols. Ethanol is used as many kinds of medicines. That means ethanol is used for making different types of medicines. It also preparing for such type of medicines. For example, cough syrup, and nowadays alcohol is used for making sanitizer, and the ethanol is used as drinking liquor also. But the drinking liquor is not a good habit. Actually, it is injurious to our health. Injurious to our health. Now study about the effect of drinking ethanol. Ethanol lessens or decrease our understanding capability and decrease our metabolic activity. Ethanol weakens our muscular strength, and the ethanol destroy our coordination between brain and different types of our organs. Now understand about the properties of ethanol. First, we will study about physical property of ethanol. So, ethanol is found at liquid state at the room temperature. That means at 25 degrees Celsius, and it has a specific smell. Which is different smell from other compounds. Now study about the chemical properties. In the chemical properties, first of all, we study about the reaction with sodium. If ethanol C2H5OH is reacted with sodium, in this case it gives C2H5O. H will be removed and will form H2, and Na, that means sodium, will replace in the place of hydrogen, and it will form C2H5O Na. That means it will form sodium ethoxide. This is sodium and this is ethoxide. That means the full compound C2H5ONA is sodium ethoxide. Second property is making unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is ethanol. When this ethanol is heated at the temperature of 443 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid. In this case, OH from here and H from here will be removed and will form H2O, and rest of the atoms, that means 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen will form a unsaturated compound ethane. In this reaction, the saturated carbon, that means ethane, changes into ethene. That means saturated changes into unsaturated hydrocarbon. So this is the process of making unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now study about denatured alcohol. Denatured alcohol. We know that alcohol means ethanol. Actually, many person uses this ethanol as drinking purpose, as drinking liquor. So, to prevent for drinking, in some amount of or in some small quantity of methanol is added in ethanol. In this case, the mixture becomes denatured and it is called denatured alcohol. And this mixture is also known as methylated spirit. Now let's study about power alcohol. Power alcohol. When ethanol is mixed with alcohol and prepared a solution, in this case this is known as power alcohol, because this mixture is used as fuel and it is found a better fuel, so it is known as power. Friends, we learned a lot about ethanol and I hope you understood it better and you get it benefitable. So I want to say you like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Brilliant Study. Till then, bye all of you.